Let's talk about the most important news. A huge bullish hint has been found by experts. The court case between Ripple and the SEC might end this month. That's pretty cool, right? But it gets even more interesting because experts think this could make XRP Ripple worth $200 or more. Don't miss it. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene, XRP, a well-known cryptocurrency called Ripple, has been at the center of a much-anticipated court case with the Securities and Exchange Commission. As fans and investors wait for the final decision, the scene is still full of guesses and excitement. Recent tweets from important people in the XRP community, such as Jack the Rippler's settlement is on the way and King XRP's Ripple lawsuit for XRP final judgment coming soon, show how tense and hopeful people are about the result. The main issue in the court battle between Ripple and the SEC is whether XRP should be considered a security. This classification could have big effects on Ripple Labs and the Bitcoin market as a whole. As of right now, there is still no verdict and the regulatory situation is not clear at all. XRP News today said that the SEC vs. Ripple decision is still pending amid a regulatory cloud which summed up the market's uncertainty. There is a lot at stake. In its first brief filed in March, the SEC asked for a nearly $2 billion fine and an order saying that Ripple's sales of XRP broke securities laws. In response, Ripple put forward a plan for a $10 million fine in their opposition brief. Judge Torres may have to decide if the XRP sales after the complaint are institutional sales, which would be against U.S. securities rules before making a final decision. In July 2023, Judge Analisa Torres made a big decision in this ongoing story. She said that programmatic purchases of XRP did not meet the third part of the Howey test, which is a key requirement for calling an asset a security. The price of XRP went up after this ruling and reached a high point of 93 cents. However, it later fell below 50 cents because people were afraid the SEC would appeal. This case is even more complicated because the SEC may decide to review Judge Torres' decision based on other well-known cases like CECRXC vs, Terraform Labs and CCC vs, Binance. Judge Jed Rakoff decided against Terraform Labs in December 2020, saying they broke securities laws by selling Terra and Luna without being registered. In one of the newest predictions, King XRP says that the XRP triangle will break, which will quickly raise the value of XRP above $19.68. A lot of speculation and hope have been sparked by this bold remark. Top crypto analyst Javon Marks says that XRP will have an amazing rise, which only adds to the buzz. Even though it hasn't been doing well lately, Marks thinks a big jump is coming. He is sure of himself because he has carefully studied XRP's price patterns, especially the coiling shape that looks like past bull runs. He says that a proven bullish divergence and a lot of trading activity are important signs of a possible breakout. To understand the joy, it helps to look at what has happened in the past. XRP went through a bull run in 2017 that saw it rise by over 110,000%. In January 2018, it hit an all-time high of almost $4. Marks doesn't say that the same level of growth will happen again, but he does say that it could happen again. His detailed two-part prediction for how the price of XRP will move backs up this confidence. Marks thinks that XRP's low relative strength index and a secret bullish divergence will cause a first rise to $1.44. Reaching this goal would be a big deal because it would mean breaking out of a 6-year consolidation pattern could lead to more price rise. Marks describes two bullish events that could happen after this breakout. In the best case scenario, XRP could go over $200, which would be a huge jump of over 45% from its present price. Based on past data and the chance of a full logarithmic price follow-through, this is what might happen. Marks thinks that XRP will reach between $15 and $20 in a more realistic situation. It's clear that even this more modest goal indicates a big gain of about 4 to 14%, which would be very profitable for investors. Marks's reasoning is a strong reason for XRP holders to stay positive because prices could change so dramatically. Besides technical analysis, another important thing for XRP's success is that more people start using it. Grok, an AI that Elon Musk created, recently talked about how XRP could be used as a payment method on X. Using XRP in real-life transactions more could make it worth a lot more, helping analysts reach their high price goals. As we wait for the final decision in the SEC vs. Ripple case, the thought of a big XRP rise adds to the excitement. A positive result could lead to clearer rules, which would make XRP even more appealing to businesses and investors. And the whales took note of this sign that prices are going up. A lot of XRP Ripple coins are being bought up while the price is still low. But why is this quick rush to buy so important? Let's do it one step at a time. You'll be shocked by what you find. This means that in the world of cryptocurrencies, whales are people or businesses that have a lot of a certain cryptocurrency. The sheer amount of assets these groups hold often gives them the power to change market prices. The XRP Ripple cryptocurrency recently got a lot of attention when a whale bought $12.7 million worth of XRP, which is an amazing 30 million coins in just 24 hours. This purchase has renewed interest in and guesswork about where the price of XRP will go in the future. Whales are very important to the coin markets because they own a lot of land. They can use it to their advantage in many ways. One very popular method is market manipulation, in which whales buy or sell a lot of a cryptocurrency to make the price move in a way that isn't real. In this way, they can make money off of short-term changes in prices. For XRP, the latest whale activity happened at the same time as a time when prices were changing a lot. After the market crashed in early July, XRP fell to its lowest level since March 2023. It then began to rise again, in part because of the whale's huge buy, which made people more optimistic. Analysts now think that if the current upward trend continues, XRP might rise to important support levels at 45 cents and even aim for 50 cents. Whale behavior is important for more than just short-term price changes. For XRP, a cryptocurrency that is closely linked to Ripple Labs and its ecosystem, big purchases by whales show that people are optimistic about its future. This trust can bring in more traders and investors, which can increase market sentiment and liquidity. There is a famous person in the XRP community named Bill Morgan who recently said in public that he buys XRP when the price drops, seeing these drops as chances to make money. The things he did and the things other optimistic investors in Wales did add to the story of hope for XRP's growing potential.